Hello everyone, welcome to day 277 of 365, and today I am at my school. Here's the deal. I was supposed to go to computers class, which is from 6 to 8:45, but I had a test. But I did it way before I needed to. So, I was like, hey, maybe there's a second part to this test, or maybe I have to do something else. So I go in, and they're like, here's the test, begin. And I said to myself, I already did this. So I thought, saying something to myself is not going to get me out of this class, so I should probably tell the teacher. I said, Miss Baldwin, because that's her name, do I need to stay here for any reason? Well, yeah, you got to take tests. Well, I said, I already did the test, and I already did a flyer, because in a computers class, we have to do a flyer. So I did both of them. She's like, you are free to go, and I'm like, yes! And I freaking yelled. Not really. I wish I did, because then she would smile, and I'd be like, bonus points. I'm doing really good in this computers class. I'm enjoying it a lot. This is like my favorite class because the teacher's so lenient and so awesome. I did 2 tests today. The first test wasn't too bad. It was a behavior mod. So both of them are pretty good. I'm pretty happy with my results. If you guys want to check out where I usually stay all the time at AV Tech, if you're just like, where does he chill? Where does he do his homework? Where does he does his stuff? It's right here. Where I sit is where I am. So here's a little tour. There's a library right there. There's a hallway that I go down. Right here is the building's entranceway. This is where education starts to turn once you enter those doors. Oh yes, there is where you try to register for classes. And here's where I do my laptop. Of course, I'm doing YouTube. Duh. Right now I look so gangster. Okay, I do. I know. But that's just who I am. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Maybe. You don't know me, do you? Yes, maybe. You don't know me. Oh, random. Today I was talking to a buddy of mine, and he wants to help me out with some skits, so that'll be cool. Hopefully, Corey and Roger show this Saturday will be filmed, if all goes well. So we'll see. Roger's at another buddy's house because it didn't really work out at my house for financial reasons. I don't really want to get deep into it. We're still buddies, of course. I'm still gonna care for Roger because he's like my best friend. So it just, things happened, disagreements happened, and it didn't work out too well. So that's the deal. Right now, I am going to wait for Kimberly because she is at a meeting till like 8:45 is what she told me. So we'll see what that happens. I don't even know. I can't even finish a sentence. Really, like, why can't I finish a sentence? Is it because my hoodie's on my head and I can't think? I don't know. You tell me. Maybe. Who knows? So thank you all for the Mars Tech Nation people who sent in messages, comments, and all that for our channel. We appreciate it so much. If Kimberly was here, she would say thank you too, but she's not. She's at work. So I'll act like I'm her. Thanks, guys. You're the best. Yeah, guys, you rock. You're the best. I love you. You're the best. Yeah. And any glasses. Oh, yeah, you... La. She doesn't even talk like that. What am I doing? Oh, man, I'm a horrible husband. I'm horrible. Once she sees this, she's going to smack me right in the face. Super Note competition. That's coming up. Now, if you've never heard of Super Note, it's basically you post a video on YouTube for your favorite team. There are different kind of teams. I'm personally going to do a Super Note for the Shaytards because the Shaytards rock, of course, the face. So I'm going to do a Super Note, and basically what you do is you film a video holding the longest musical note with your vocal cords. You can't do any of that. You got to use your voice, and whoever does the longest gets a prize and wins for that team. So if you can't hold a note, you can help one of the several contestants in this team. If you want to find out more about that, basically just go to Super Note, type that in, and it will give you a video showing you who's in it, and you get to choose who you want to be on their team. That is another incomplete sentence. I need to go back to English sentence. Oh my gosh. I think you guys just love watching me screw up language, because that's what I do. Yep. So, question. Who are you going to do a Super Note to? If you don't do Super Note, well then, shame. La,